Yo, Chavo Guerrero Jr. here. I'm here in Dallas. Dr. G is gonna get this neck working the way it should be working. So we'll see. We'll see if I don't have to adjust his neck afterwards. So. Okay, so I'm feeling on this side. Like a month ago, I had a pop in there, and it's kind of locked. It's been locked up kind of ever since.
I got you. I got you. So what?
If I don't try to crack it myself, then it doesn't aggravate it, and it's okay. But I'm like this all the time.
So turn it as far as you can this way. That's about. It's about here to here. All right. Let me see the other side. Go as far as you can that way. So he's got a lot more movement that way. I'm sure you guys can see that. We got both cameras on him. So we'll start. Let's get you right here, face down. All right. So I got just some CBD here.
All right.
And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just.
If you want, I can smoke it if you want.
Yeah, that might help too, right?
Just kidding.
So
For my glaucoma.
I'm gonna put light pressure, man. I might start going a little deeper, but you tell me. Just tell me if anything's too much. I usually don't need that much pressure to get this to release.
You're good.
So what I'm thinking I'll do, I'll strip through his neck here, and then I'll get him in the seat, and we'll use the E plus unit just to kind of decrease the inflammation and get some range of motion. Then we'll adjust him, and then we'll reassess and see where he's at. But yeah, see it right in there, man. You got a 44-pound tempering roller. It's going to roll up through here.
Yeah.
How often are you rolling? You were telling me you use a foam roller?
Yeah, kind of a little bit harder on the foam roller. It's got the little fingers in it, kind of.
Oh, nice.
I try to do it every day if I can.
That's good, dude. Yeah.
Every morning I wake up, I have coffee, my back loosen up, and then I'll just do that, and it'll pop every morning in the same spot,
Yeah, man, that's good. And I see your IG, man. You work out. You got a gym at home, huh?
Yep. I train, a lot, so it's one of those things that when you try to lean up, I leaned up, and I want to lose muscle, so I was, I kicked those workouts up, big time, so.
Just roll through the hamstrings a little bit. And then this one, I'm not going to put the whole weight. You tell me if it's too much, but just knowing what you do, how much you work out, your calves are
yeah, my
tight.
calves are always tight, for sure. When I get, massaged, they're always tight.
Yeah, man. When was the last time you were adjusted? How long ago?
Ooh, it's been about, definitely been 2 months.
2 months? Oh, okay.
Maybe more. Oh. Yeah, maybe more. It's been a while.
Yeah. So with the camera, you guys can already see we're getting more movement, more range of motion already.
You feel it on that side?
Yeah, once I get to the top, those occipital muscles here.
You feel it just kinked up there, huh? You know.
Yeah. That's where it is right there.
Yep, that's exactly where it's at. Let me know right before you get on the top. Tell you what, I was looking forward to this more more than hosting the
anything?
concert. Yeah, man.
Man, yeah.
What's been your worst injury while wrestling?
Oh yeah, that's correct.
Okay, turn this way towards me. Okay, let's turn. Good. Face up. Relax, relax. Okay. Good. Okay. Figuring you tell me if it's too much.
Yeah, you're gonna need some more weight.
Right?
Oh yeah, that's good. That thing's awesome.
Right there, yeah.
That's good. I hold a lot of tension in my traps. So.
Big time, man.
Yeah, you can feel it, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it through the roller. But relax your hand, right?
Relax.
And then
Oh,
it'll,
yeah.
it'll
Oh, wow.
stimulate the entire
That's
nerve.
crazy.
Flip
That's
your
awesome.
arm over. Flip your arm
That's
like
awesome.
this. Just relax your fingers.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Look at
yeah.
pop.
But no, it'll get this to calm down a lot more too. So tell me if it's too much, man, because it's gonna cause contractions, man. And keep your feet flat. If you lift off,
Yeah, it'll stop, right?
it'll shock you.
Okay, I won't.
But this is the area, right? That you feel it in?
Oh yeah, dude. Ooh, look at that. Ugh. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start popping and locking right now, dude.
Right?
Ooh, that's crazy.
This one's cool, yeah.
And you don't feel it?
I feel it, yeah. It'll cause my entire arm to contract too. But it's just I use it so much I get used to it.
That's awesome.
So this has like been out barely since like maybe 2018. So the type of like therapeutic wave has been out, but they've been doing them on mats. Like you lie on a mat and then you feel it through your whole body.
Yeah.
The guy that created this figured a way to harness it to where he calls it guided PEMF, like so a practitioner can really localize what area needs to be worked on.
That's crazy. It's like,
It'll stimulate the nerves. Yeah. It stimulates blood flow, so it really decreases inflammation.
that's huge.
Okay, so let's try to really find. So, I know, is that about where you're feeling it?
Yeah, I think so.
So turn your head to the left, and do you feel it there?
Yeah, I can. When I start doing like this, when I turn it,
am
and
I on
kinda
that
do
spot?
This, yeah, you pretty much.
And you just kind of work. So yeah, just go through movements, and I'll just kind of work. Yeah.
Yeah.
You go ahead and turn left and kind of move as we work through there, just to kind of.
Yeah, it's like I can't. Once I start going like, and then that's when it gets locked.
And then when he turns here, it's actually more
Oh.
locked here on the right side. That's restricting it, and it's going to be like more lower cervical on this side. So we'll start here. Just relax, and I'm going to put a little pressure. Lean back a little bit. Oh, he's going to fight me. Go ahead and lay here on your back.
Oh yeah. Boom.
You got that one, man. A little bit there. Cool.
Oh yeah. God, it's like an explosion in there, man.
Yeah, that left side, big time.
Yeah, it's gonna be definitely sore for a minute because
Yeah.
I haven't done that, but that was that like definitely needed to be done, right?
Yeah, a lot.
What'd
man, a
you
lot.
feel?
Man, so I like when we're working on you,
Yeah.
like in the occipitals, like right up through here, man. I
Yeah.
kept coming back to that same spot. So,
Right.
and then also what he's telling me, rotation. So that's where we adjusted him to get more rotation and a little bit of extension. But on your end, just you want to keep stretching in those areas, right? You just want to try to just keep getting that range of motion back and back and back.
Gotcha.
And then and then see your chiropractor when you're back in town too.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
like once a week for the next few weeks, and just keep working on it.
Yeah, I gotta do that. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you can stretch it too. Like I said, just you can feel where that movement's
Yeah,
restricted.
yeah.
Keep stretching through. I mean, you can even do self-massage, like kind of just.
I do
feeling
that
through
with CBD. I'll throw my CBD stuff
Yeah,
on there
yeah.
and it'll totally loosen up, you know,
Yeah.
for sure. But yeah, oh man, that
And
was
just
awesome.
keep it. And then, so I mean, you know the routine. Like tomorrow you might be sore, like you worked out, and
Yeah.
then the next day, like 48 hours
Yeah.
is when all that inflammation starts to clear. That's when you'll really feel a lot better.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right. Good
There it
deal,
is.
man. Cool.
Dr. G got Chavo G feeling good. Boom. There it is.
Cool, man.
One, go.
All right, one last adjustment. The ear or two more.
Ah, that's crazy. I feel it in my feet.
Yeah, man, it released all the
right,
way
all
down.
right, all right.
The nose, the nose.
Ah. I can breathe again. All right.
Oh, cool.